Hello brothers, I hope you are in good health. Husqvarna update their street model for 2022. The Vitpilen 401 and Svartpilen 401 now get a new look and have new features. So let's talk about it. Husqvarna Motorcycles has updated the Vitpilen 401 and Svartpilen 401 for this model year, at least on the aesthetic appearance with a new graphic design for the progressive 2022. Meanwhile, update features for the 2022 model include the more sophisticated WP Apex suspension package and easy shift, which allows changing gears without a clutch. The Svartpilen and Vitpilen 401, which are powered by a 373cc single-cylinder engine with 44 horsepower, it still features high-strength steel trellis, ride-by-wire throttle, LED headlights and taillights, lightweight and agility and high-quality components, and high-tech standards. Stay healthy brothers, hope you enjoyed this video.